This is impossible to believe that he was isolated, close to the barracks and close to the army and etc. So I understand your answer, but honestly...
I think I certainly would like to react to this. I mean, after all, slippages or poor performance by the intelligence are possible. If we reflect back to 9/11, how is it that 18 people were being trained for months and CIA was asleep, the most powerful organization? How was it that 4 aircrafts, 4 airliners are being hijacked from 4 different airfields and a CIA doesn't know? How is it that 3 of them go into the World Trade Center and the Pentagon, CIA is asleep? So let us allow ISI to have been sleeping once at least.